Hey everyone, I wanted to share just a quick tip for you when you're editing your new KW agent site. And so you see I'm in here in the back end of my site, and I'm going to pull up a draft of the property landing page template. This is a new template that's come in that makes it real easy to make a custom landing page for your listings. And I have this one just right down at the bottom here for Arbor Drive. And when you are building these in, it's real simple. You're going to search for the listing. I recommend searching through MLS ID for the listing. It makes it a little easier. And then you see that it builds out this page for you. I've also added in this module here that you see is property landing custom content block, and added a little bit more, but the rest of it is all built out for you when you use this blueprint that I started with. And the little tip I wanted to show you today is right up here where it says desktop-medium. This is what it's going to default to, but I can also click on that drop down and come down to mobile portrait 360 so I can see what it looks like when someone loads this on their phone. And you can tell in the preview that it resizes and reformats the page for us when someone looks at this home on their phone or their mobile device. And just to make sure everything looks the way you want, you can always come in here and switch that view so you can see what it looks like on the phone, or go back to your desktop here where you can see the more general desktop view. All right, hope that helps.